Welcome to this Linux tutorial. Today, we're going to dive into one of the most fundamental commands in Linux, the cd command. Whether you're new to Linux or just brushing up, understanding how to navigate the file system is essential. The cd command, short for change directory, allows you to navigate between directories in the Linux file system. Think of it as the Linux equivalent of double-clicking a folder in a graphical interface. To move to a specific directory, you simply type cd followed by the path of the directory you want to navigate to. For example, cd/home takes you to the home directory. If you want to move up one level in the directory tree, you can use cd double dots. The double dots represent the parent directory, making it easy to backtrack. To quickly return to your home directory, you can use cd tilde or simply cd with no arguments. The tilde symbol represents a shortcut to your home directory. Directories with spaces in their names require special handling. You can either enclose the path in quotes, like this, cd my documents, or use a backslash before the space. cd my documents. There are two ways to specify the path in the cd command: absolute and relative. An absolute path starts from the root directory, represented by the /, like cd/var/log. A relative path starts from the current directory, like cd documents. Here are a couple of quick tips. cd- takes you back to the previous directory you were in. cd/ moves you directly to the root directory. And that's it. Now you know how to navigate your Linux file system with the cd command. Practice these commands to get comfortable moving around your directories. Thanks for watching, and happy coding. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Linux tips and tricks. See you in the next tutorial.